cook with us. So today we're doing Oyster Rockefeller. This is my first time cleaning, shucking, or even eating oysters. This will be an adventure. Alright, so me and the wife is sharing the kitchen today. She's going to be preparing the filling for the oysters while I be cleaning them and getting them open. So we got bacon cooking and got the house smelling so good. Alright, so once she get done with that bacon, she's going to add in some shallots, some garlic, and she's going to do spinach. And as y'all can see, we have our little helper in the kitchen helping us out today. He always enjoys helping. Alright, so while we grabbing those seasonings, she's cooking that spinach down. She's going to get ready to add some Parmesan and some heavy cream to it. So as you can see, it's about to get real up in here. Follow and watch part 2 to see the rest.